Bursa, the first capital of the Ottoman Empire, the first organized industrial zone of the Republic of Turkey was founded in 1961. The Bursa Organized Industrial Zone began the industrial breakthrough here, and as a result of the vision and responsibility it garnered from being the first, it has generated many leading projects throughout its history. In the beginning, the zone's land area was 180 hectares. It has grown to a land area of 670 hectares today. Bursa Organized Industrial Zone is an example to other organized industrial zones in that it has the largest foreign investment of any organized industrial zone in the southern Marmara region of Turkey, and it has the largest number of R&D departments per company. It is home to 246 factories and provides employment to approximately 50,000 people. With its yearly exports of $5 billion, it greatly contributes to the economy of Bursa and Turkey. Managing such a large and widespread field of service requires many different levels of professional experience. There are approximately 172 personnel working at the highest levels of expert performance in order to manage the zone. Managing Turkey's first and largest organized industrial zone requires continually expanding vision, the ability to develop strategies to accurately keep track of developments in Turkey and the world, the ability to produce projects and bring them to reality, and managers with the ability to make decisions quickly. Bursa Organized Industrial Zone continues its mission with a powerful infrastructure, energy sources, and projects that work to bring the future to today. With its BOSB power generating station, the Bursa province has the first organized industrial zone in Turkey with 3 energy-generating power stations. The total capacity of the 3 power stations is the largest provider of power in Turkey after the Keban Dam, one of Turkey's largest dams. BOSB Energy is able to function in mains mode due to its busbar structure and systems. Because of this, malfunctions in the national electrical grid, which would normally cause power outages in the zone, are avoided by immediately switching over to this mode while energy is being generated, and thus customers experience no power cut at all. The Bursa Organized Industrial Zone uses 30% of the natural gas that comes to Bursa and adds value in the form of products produced. This consumption is nearly 2% of the national total natural gas import and production in 2013. The brains of the electric and natural gas distribution system is a center called SCADA. Through automated processes, the whole process is controlled and any potential problems or failures are instantly addressed, saving time. The zone has made example investments in the area of environmental sensitivity. The Bursa Organized Industrial Zone has installed waste treatment plants. They have increased the capacity of these waste treatment plants over the years to the extent that they are now able to process 50,000 cubic meters per day. The Bursa Environmental Center services Bursa in its application of energy and environmental management systems. The laboratories found within the Bursa Environmental Center provide services in research and development in the areas of wastewater, oils, semi-solid wastes, and smokestack emissions. And in addition to all these, provide environmental noise, air, and light measurements and analyses for employee safety and security. All these services, provided with the latest technology, are needed areas of research and development for the industrialists of the zone. At this center, research and development of renewable energy resources and energy efficiency methods take place, and educational and consulting services are offered to industry. The Environmental Center has the distinction of being Turkey's first environmental and energy laboratory to be accredited by Turkak and receive its 17025 certification. Additionally, it has earned the Compliance Certificate from the Ministry of the Environment and Urban Planning. Water is at the top of the list of environmental resources that must be protected. In this era of dwindling freshwater resources, this is especially important. At the reprocessed water production plant, the water of the Nilüfer stream, which is polluted by 50,000 tons of wastewater daily and has been turned into a stream of wastewater, is returned to clean water and redeemed for the economy. Water from this stream is first purified by physical means, then biologically and chemically, then finally using technologically advanced purification systems. Because of all these environmental efforts, the Bursa Organized Industrial Zone won first prize as Turkey's most environmentally friendly organized industrial zone in a contest organized by Turkey's Ministry of the Environment, and was awarded the distinction of being the best environmental facility in 2012 and 2013 by the Turkish Healthy Cities Association. The management of the Organized Industrial Zone has been a leader in putting human values first and in work safety issues. Their establishment of a fire department is a shining example of this. Within the same unit, a search and rescue team is trained and maintained, ready to react to any natural disaster. In the infirmary, any kind of first aid can be provided, and ambulance services are provided under the same roof. The management was a leader in the formation of a joint health safety unit, and through this continues to be a role model for health and safety issues. 50,000 people come to work there every day, and when one adds visitors, the total number of people coming and going from the Organized Industrial Zone rises to 60,000 per day. The services of a small city are provided here every day, without delay and at no cost. Factories of the Organized Industrial Zone rank among Turkey's largest. The roads that connect them together have a total length of 56 kilometers. The upkeep of this length of road, which equals the Bursa İnegöl Highway in length, is undertaken by the zone's management. Some services are only noticed when they are absent. Two services that fall into this category are the provision and upkeep of green spaces and grounds management, and sanitary services. Green Bursa's Organized Industrial Zone has a green area of 500,000 square meters. Tree planting and landscaping are provided with great care and meticulousness. All permissions and licenses, such as building permits, project certifications, permissions for use of buildings, and discharge permit documents, are processed quickly and efficiently. The zone's management also organizes social projects. By supporting cooperative activities between the companies who work in the zone, the management increases international competitiveness. A social complex has been built, where industrialists can play sports together and put on meetings over meals. The zone's management was able to complete the complex in short order and put it into service. The management of the Bursa Organized Industrial Zone has created synergy by founding a business persons association in the zone. They organize various functions and awards ceremonies. The zone has been managed since 2003 by systems that have ISO 9001 quality standards certification, and the environmental values are protected under ISO 14001 certification. Work health and safety is regulated under OHSAS 18001 certification. In 2013, the zone earned ISO 5001-2011 Energy Management System certification and became an example organized industrial zone in the Marmara region in terms of energy productivity. Bursa Organized Industrial Zone marches into the future with years of experience, honor, pride, and productivity.